You're listening to Plants and Politics with Gina Bonanno-Lemos. If you're ready to hear the truth about both sides of the aisle, what's really going on in America, and how big money interests prevent change to keep you sick, broke, and desperate, then play on. Hey everyone, welcome to Plants and Politics. This is Gina. So I have a short update on Ghislaine Maxwell. Her attorney filed a request today with the court asking again that the judge reconsider the release of Maxwell's 2016 deposition and the other documents which were included in a 2015 lawsuit brought by Virginia Giuffre. It was a civil lawsuit for defamation, and Virginia Giuffre alleges that she was one of Epstein and Maxwell's victims. So those documents include, according to her attorney, quote, intrusive questions about Maxwell's sex life and could be embarrassing. So they again are asking the judge to keep them under seal. Last week, she made the decision to make them public, and she gave them until tomorrow, until Thursday, to either file an appeal or release the documents, release the Kraken, basically. I don't know why they're taking this tact. It doesn't really make sense to me, but her attorney, so Ghislaine Maxwell's attorney, accused Virginia Giuffre and the government of setting a, quote, perjury trap for her when she was deposed in the defamation suit. So the deal is this, for those of you not following this real closely. Virginia Giuffre settled out of court with Maxwell. It was settled for an undisclosed amount, and part of the settlement was that none of the information would be shared with the public or with the media. Well, somehow information from that case was leaked to prosecutors. Either it was leaked or shared. I don't know. No one has really come out with evidence about that. But Maxwell's attorneys are alleging that that information is what prompted this legal action against Ghislaine Maxwell, and that's why they have brought charges against her, and that they're, one of the charges is for perjury. So they're saying that they used information from that defamation lawsuit to basically set a perjury trap for her. Come on. Perjury traps don't exist. They don't freaking exist. You can have coerced testimony, but perjury traps are bullshit. It's a bullshit excuse and a bullshit term, because either you're lying or you're not. If you tell the truth, people can try to set traps for you all day long, and they're not going to catch you in anything. Either you're telling the truth or you're lying. It's that simple. So this excuse, this attempt to wiggle out of it's just ridiculous. It's not worth the court's time. So not sure what the judge is going to do, but they have until tomorrow. They didn't say anything in there about whether or not they're going to be filing an appeal. In any case, there's another, this is just more kind of salacious, but kind of tells you who Ghislaine Maxwell was and her relationship with Jeffrey Epstein. So it's gross, but I think it goes to her character and like what they were all about. So there was a journalist named Christopher Mason, and he told the Times of London that Ghislaine Maxwell once approached him in New York and asked him to write a surprise birthday song for Jeffrey Epstein. Why a journalist? Well, apparently he was known for, quote, his witty musical roasts. And typically the way he would do it, I guess he's done this for other people, but he said typically what he would do is he would talk to many people, numerous people who know the person that he's writing the song or lyrics about, to get an idea, sense of who they are and their personality, and get different stories, I guess, and, information. Well, Maxwell insisted that he speak with no one but her. And then she said that she wanted him to include lyrics about, quote, 24-hour erections, and that the song should reference schoolgirls, and this is a quote, schoolgirls having crushes on Epstein when he was a teacher in the 1970s in the Dalton School on the Upper East Side. Just weird. These people are just freaky and weird and gross. So I will keep you posted if they do in fact file an appeal tomorrow. I will let you know. As always, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Take care. Thanks for listening to Plants and Politics. The only way we can take our country and power back is to spread the truth and build an army. So remember to like, follow, subscribe, and share on Facebook, YouTube, and wherever you listen to your podcasts. Thanks again.